3 different textures. 3A curl, 4A curl, and a 3C curl. Okay, so this is our new RevAir machine that we just got, and we're super excited to try it out. Been wanting one for years for my curly girls. So here we go, we're gonna test it out. Awesome, look at that.
It turned from curly to straight.
Oh my goodness,
Really
what a difference.
Straight.
It's so smooth.
It almost looks like yours now, look.
Ah, it does. Wow! Wow! Isn't that pretty? Ah, that's what Ari said. So funny.
Long hair. Longer than my curls.